What's up, guys? Back with another one, Silverado, here locally in Albuquerque. Step size Silverado, cat eyes. We're gonna be doing a well done sunroof with burgundy suede. That's gonna look badass. That's my first burgundy I'm gonna end up doing. Let's check out the truck. Here's the truck. It's got the typical tan, well done sunroof. I'm gonna do a burgundy. We'll spray these burgundy too, and then spray the clips so everything matches. That way nothing's standing out. But yeah, we're gonna get started on it. Brought it a little bit later, a couple hours later. Supposed to drop it off at 12, 2 o'clock now. Let's see how long we can go before we can get it done. If not, I'll have it for another day. All right, let's jump on. All right, guys, we got the bracket installed. It's welded on, tacked in, ready for some fiberglass. Then we'll start the body work. Once we get it done, shoot some primer on it, and then we'll install the sunroof. All right, guys, we got the body work done on the truck. Headliner's done. We went with the burgundy. Kind of looks red. It's out here, but it's burgundy. Just got it all wrapped up. The center is cut out like always for the sunroof. Here's the top part body work. Nice and clean. We're gonna install the headliner now, and then we'll get everything buttoned up and we'll get some more video. All right, guys, install's all done. Came out badass from the inside. Burgundy suede. Check it out. Perfect. Guys, that's gonna be it for the Silverado. Came out badass. Para el compa Horacio, ahí quedó la güey al 100. Chingona. So that's gonna be it for another Silverado. We got a lot more coming. Stay tuned. I'll get some video of it rolling now. Hopefully it's not too late. Another one at Rob's Customs. See you next time. Peace.